I want you to realize something right now. All those limiting beliefs, they're not real. It's smoke and mirrors, my friends. Smoke and mirrors. When you can step back and realize that that's all it is, it's not you unless you choose for it to be. Don't allow it to. You are supported unconditionally, no matter what you choose. So choose that which serves you in the best possible way. How do we do this? Through awareness. Say you're making food or doing dishes or something, daily stuff, and you start going down that rabbit hole. Negative beliefs, all of that is not real. It is smoke and mirrors. The more you step away from it, and you can do this without meditation, just become aware of it and put your freaking foot down and say, not today. Not today. If you want help finding that centered state of awareness through meditation to access that spiritual realm within all of us, grab the guided meditation. It's absolutely free. In the description, it will get you there, my friend.